Hello, I'm Fedor Sazanovic. I'm a senior software engineer specializing in .NET. Recently, I wrote a book called ML.NET for Machine Learning and Generative AI. This book talks about a tool called ML.NET, which is a machine learning tool in .NET ecosystem. The good news is that this tool is fairly easy to learn, even if you don't have any prior experience with either machine learning or data science. You also don't need to learn any Python because this tool supports C# and command line interface. The book consists of 10 chapters. In the first chapter, I introduce you to ML.NET. In the second chapter, I cover some machine learning fundamentals. In the chapter number 3, we will discuss the process of selecting problems for machine learning models to solve. In the chapter number 4, we will train our own virtual assistant that will be able to perform popular supervised learning tasks. In the chapter number 5, we will add some functionality to our virtual assistant to enable it to detect anomalies in the data and detect patterns in unstructured data. In the chapter number 6, we will turn our virtual assistant into a simplified version of ChatGPT. In the chapter number 7, we will teach our virtual assistant how to recognize images and how to detect objects in the images. Our final 3 chapters will talk about more advanced topics. In the chapter number 8, we will talk about the usage of model builder in Visual Studio. In particular, we cover some advanced scenarios. For example, how to use ML.NET with cloud. In the chapter number 9, we will talk about AutoML and how to integrate it with ML.NET. AutoML allows us to build very complex machine learning scenarios. Finally, in chapter 10, we will talk about how to integrate popular machine learning models such as Onyx, TensorFlow, and PyTorch with ML.NET. I hope you enjoyed this book.